Welcome to dreamy fairy English land. Today, I'm going to tell you a story about a young boy named Harry Potter. After Harry bought all his school supplies, Hagrid gave him a special train ticket to go to Hogwarts. Harry saw the ticket said he needed to leave from platform 9 3/4. 9 3/4. What a strange place. It seemed like Harry was about to embark on another amazing journey. Relax and let your dreams join Harry on his adventure. Harry held the train ticket Hagrid gave him, feeling both excited and nervous. The ticket was for platform 9 3/4, a place Harry had never heard of before. When the day arrived, he walked into London's King's Cross station and looked around, trying to find the entrance to the platform. But all the platforms were numbered normally. Harry wasn't sure where to go. He asked a station worker, but the person didn't seem to understand him at all. Harry wandered around the platforms, growing more worried that he would miss the train. Then, he heard a lively family talking about going to Hogwarts. He saw a family with bright red hair. That was Ron Weasley's family. Harry noticed they had a lot of luggage and an owl too. They looked friendly and warm. Harry heard Ron's mom telling her son how to get through the wall to platform 9 3/4. Ron's mom seemed to notice him too and invited him to join them. Harry saw Ron and his family walk towards the wall between platforms 9 and 10. One by one, they went through the wall. Harry took a deep breath, pushed his luggage cart towards the wall, and made it through safely. As soon as he entered platform 9 3/4, his excitement grew. The platform was bustling with people and full of colorful trains. Harry felt both excited and amazed. He had finally found the train station that would take him to Hogwarts. Harry and Ron got on the Hogwarts Express together and quickly found an empty compartment where they could sit and talk. Ron Weasley was a boy the same age as Harry, with bright red hair and a face full of freckles. As the train started its journey to Hogwarts, the two boys began to share their thoughts and feelings. Ron talked about coming from a big wizarding family. He told Harry about the pressure of trying to live up to his brothers and sisters and the financial difficulties his family faced. Harry didn't laugh at Ron's situation. Instead, he understood and accepted Ron's story. He also opened up to Ron about growing up with the Dursleys, who weren't very nice to him. The two boys found common ground in their worries and concerns, forming a bond and showing empathy for each other. As they talked, they discovered how different their lives were. Harry learned about Ron growing up in a wizarding family, while Ron learned about Harry's tough life in the Muggle world. Soon, a friendly witch came by with a trolley full of magical treats. The treats were incredible. including pumpkin pasties made with cream and spices, jumping chocolate frogs, and colorful Bertie Bott's every flavor beans. Bertie Bott's beans are special candies, each with a different flavor, from yummy chocolate to surprising, unexpected flavors. Each bite brings an unexpected surprise. Harry was eager to try these magical snacks, so he bought some and invited Ron to share. Ron was thankful for the kind gesture, and the two boys bonded over the delicious treats. During the train journey, Harry and Ron also met Hermione and Neville. Hermione was a smart and confident girl, although sometimes she could come across as a bit bossy. Neville was a kind and friendly boy, though he was a little timid. However, during the journey, a boy named Draco Malfoy was unfriendly to Ron. He tried to convince Harry not to be friends with Ron, saying that Ron's family was very poor. But Harry immediately stood up for Ron, bravely saying that Ron was his friend, and he enjoyed talking with him. Harry's support made Ron feel grateful and comforted. By the time they reached Hogwarts, Harry and Ron were sure they were going to be great friends. They were all excited about the adventures waiting for them at the new magic school. In the story, Harry shows many admirable qualities. At the train station, he takes the initiative to seek help from others by asking about Platform 9 and 3/4. When he's with friends, Harry is kind and generous. On the train, he talks with Ron and shares the snacks he bought. He understands the challenges Ron faces and supports him. Harry's qualities make him a great friend. That's the story for today. If you enjoyed our story, remember to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. We have more exciting stories waiting for you. Good night, and let your dreams take you on magical adventures just like Harry and his friends.